What up, YouTube? Alright, so let's just get going here today. I'm gonna go through a few of the items I've picked up through the Amazon Vine program. Let's just kind of go over them, see what's available, see if there's anything that interests you. All of the links to these products will be in my description. If there's something that catches your eye or piques your interest and you think you might want, I'll put the link up there for you to make it easy to find. So let's just get going here today. Try to knock out a few of these, getting a little stack up, and I got a bunch of boxes I gotta take out to my burn pile. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. Alright, so what these things are, that's cool, they got different colors. Let's just open up this one. So you got OD green, black, and coyote or flat darker, however you like to call them. So, well, what the heck? Alright, so these ones are different from the ones that I had before. These ones, I guess you sew these onto something, and then you can stick this onto it to hold some shot shells or whatever. The other ones that I have an adhesive backing on this part of the Velcro, so you can mount it to the side of your shotgun or whatever. These ones are not the same. That's what happens when you don't read descriptions. You just mash buttons. So these have to be sewed onto your plate carrier or whatever. Interesting. Let's see, the elastic feels good. These feel like they're really good quality. So they hold 4 shells. So if you're interested in adding 4 shotgun shells to your plate carrier or whatever you need, hunting jacket or whatever. Alright, there's an option for those. Let's get this guy out the way because this one's kind of boring for some people, but I had a need for it. I had ordered one of these before. I've got a doggy door down in the corner there, and after a while the flaps get all warped and don't really seal right, so I had a need for these. So that's all this is. Comes with the mounting plate. This one's metal, that's kind of nice. That goes at the top right here, and then should have some hardware. Yeah, it's got some screws right here, and then on the bottom is a magnetic strip, and on the bottom of the frame of the dog door is another magnetic strip. I've got a double flap, so it adds a little bit more protection. If you're in the need for a replacement flap, this one seems pretty good. This one's more translucent than the other one I had. The other one was a darker color. It's got nice little side parts here that should keep it secure and prevent the elements from coming in or out. All right, that's that one. All right, let's do these because my wife was interested in using these, so I told her I'd review them so she could have at it. Alright, these are KitchenAid, and they're prep dishes. They seem pretty. I'm putting some force on them. They're not really flexing. That's nice. So this is 4.5 cups. Then they have 3.5 cups. This reminds me of those little Russian nesting dolls. 2.5 cups and 1.5 cups. And they have nice little lids. Keep your stuff secure. So you can use them as prep bowls or leftover storage or whatever. So that's those. We're flying through these today. Get all this trash out of here. Alright, let's do what else we got. Alright, I'm gonna put this on my car today, so let's take a look at this. All this is, folks, put that off to the side, just a steering wheel cover. But they are, to me, if you have a car nowadays, this is kind of a necessity more than an accessory, because whatever material steering wheels are made of nowadays, after, I don't know, a year or sometimes even less depending on your usage, that foam material on modern day car steering wheels always starts to deteriorate and look nasty from just the oils on your hands and stuff. So if you have a car and you don't have a steering wheel cover, like what are you even doing? Plus it gives little extra, I guess, girth to the steering wheel, makes it more comfortable to use. So this one's pretty nice. It's got a, you know, a faux carbon fiber design on the side and kind of a suede-y feel here. This looks nice. The interior's got the little grippy stuff to keep it from sliding on the wheel. These are always fun to install, but that's gonna look nice. Give me a little protection on my steering wheel and make it last so it doesn't start to fall apart. All right, let's do this one. So I would like to install this today. Got a lot of projects I'm making for myself today. This is gonna go for our guest bathroom. We just installed a, what do you call it, those rainfall shower heads in the master bath, and I love it. And I saw this on Vine and said, oh, heck yeah. So this is a, that's gonna be for the wand. Let's see what the wand looks like. That's nice. Is this how you, yep, that's how you change the different flow settings there. It's got an off-on button to turn the wand on and off. Nice finish. It's kind of lightweight, a little light duty. I'm guessing this is going to go on here. Once you attach it to the hose here, mount this to the wall. Mount this to the wall. This will go on that. And this is the arm that comes off of the shower thing that's in the wall. Looks like it comes with some Teflon tape. Let's take a look at it here. A couple of gaskets, some Teflon tape. And this, come on you. All right, so that'll go to the existing shower thing. And then you just tighten it with this. Get it to where you want it, because it looks like it rotates. Same on this side. And then this guy here, actual head, this is big. I think it's like 13 inches, and then this will go onto here. I don't know, something like that. It's shiny. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna get that installed today, and oh, here's some more stuff. Oh, there we go. I was kind of confused how it points down, but you need this guy right here. This guy is going to go on here. So this will be a fun little install, and then if I get it installed today, I'll have a picture up here of what it looks like. So I think that's where we're going to stop today. I think I've got enough between this and the other video. I got to figure out how to splice them together. Like I said, I barely know what I'm doing, but I appreciate any comments that y'all give me, and thanks for watching. It means a lot. I'm enjoying this little side thing that I have going on, and it's fun for me, and I hope y'all get something out of it. Again, thanks for watching.